Today I am going to discuss about if statement of Python. So at first we talk about the if syntax. Okay, how we write the if sentence? If then condition expression then statement okay, multiple statement is there. Statement 1, statement 2, statement n, and here we require of colon sign. Now how we are going to make up the program? We require to make the program. Okay, at first we required some values of a variable, then we make on this program through the if statement. Enter a single character, you write the statement and this statement is display to monitor screen and data goes to the ch. तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, ch नेम की एक मेमोरी बनेगी और जो आप डेटा कीबोर्ड से इंटर करोगे कीबोर्ड से, वो डेटा कहां जाएगा, ch के अंदर जाएगा. Okay, if data goes to the ch, then we require the condition. According to the condition we require to check it. If ch less than greater than equal to 0 and ch less than equal to 9, so what would be the result? Then print you enter digit. So this is the program. You have to enter the values and values go to the ch, and the ch, according to ch we have to check. If ch is greater than equal to 0 and ch is less than equal to 9, अगर ये दोनों condition ने satisfy करती हैं, तो that case you show the result, you enter digit, the statement display in front of you. Okay, now we require to display the information through this flow chart. अगर इसी information को flow chart के according अगर हम देखना चाहते हैं, तो what would be the result of this statement? So you have to enter the value of ch in the part of process input and enter the single character statement. It's so through the rectangular box. इसको दिखाते हैं हम rectangular box से. Then next one, if it is a condition displays through the diamond box. So condition if ch is greater than or equal to 0 and ch is less than and equal to 9. If condition is true, the statement display. What is the statement? As you know, the statement is print you enter the digit. This statement will display. If condition is false, then it goes for the exit. इसके बाहर निकल जाएगा. Then exit exit or some book written in the stop. तो ये क्या होगा, कहीं पे stop दिखा रहता है. तो this is a print statement. Then again it's exit. False होगा तब भी exit करेगा और true होगा तो तब भी exit करेगा. case of multiple if, then how we use the multiple if? ch input single character, the value goes to the ch. Then if ch equal to space value given is there, then print, you enter space. So the statement display you enter space if ch is greater than equal to 0 and ch less than equal to 9, then colon sign. What is this statement display? Print you enter digit. This statement display in front of you. Okay. So today we understand about that first if statement, how it is using. First one, syntax, how you write about the syntax. Second one, you know about the single if statement, how you execute. And next one, you understand about the multiple if statement, how you use. And next one, you understand how you मेक योर प्रोग्राम्स फ्लो चार्ट, आप कैसे अपने प्रोग्राम का फ्लो चार्ट बनाते हैं. तो ये है मेन टॉपिक और इसके आगे के टॉपिक आगे डिस्कस करेंगे.